In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can resize an image in Adobe Express. So go to adobe.com/express and then go to Adobe Express inside of here to open the browser app, or go using your Creative Cloud app on the computer to access this. Now, you have the quick editing tools while you're here, and you can also see that you have resized image here. If that option isn't visible, you can go on top of here and choose photo, because in this tutorial we're going to resize a photo. And then here you also have the option resize image. Now when you click this, you can drag and drop your image or browse for it. I'm just going to drag it. And then here, as you can see, I can now choose how I want to resize it. I can choose an aspect ratio, for example, Instagram, and then I can say I want a story. And now it will resize it according to the aspect ratio for Instagram. You also have YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn. There are lots of options. And you can also do it custom. So that way you can give in your width and your height. You can say if you want them to lock together. You can say what kind of quality you want. But just for this tutorial, I'm going to go for an Instagram story. And you can see the crop here. You can also zoom in, by the way. And then you can say download, and it will download that image for you in the size you made it. So to show you, this is our Instagram story picture, which we cropped from this picture using Adobe Express. So that's a quick way to resize your image in Adobe Express. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.